What isn't the flex many people think it is? 1. Prank/public humiliation. Trying to make someone else look bad to boost yourself often says more about your insecurity than your strength. 2. Driving a giant, beautiful, $90,000 pickup truck, and staying awake at night trying to figure out how you're going to make your rent that's due next week. 3. Pushing yourself to the point where you have no time for yourself isn't healthy. Having a good work ethic is important, and a strong work ethic is admirable. But there's a big difference between working hard and living solely to work, and the latter isn't ideal. 4. I sleep in a race car bed, do you? 5. Never changing your opinion. Some people take that as standing their ground or being principled or whatever. Plus they never have to admit when they're wrong, which is nice for their ego. That really just means they don't learn from their mistakes. 6. Few hours of sleep. 7. My 19-year-old had to get fillings for 4 cavities recently, and my 17-year-old chimed in with I haven't brushed my teeth in 6 months and I have no cavities. I told my youngest that this wasn't the flex they think it is.